Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy and practical tutorial, we will learn how to create a Gantt chart in Microsoft Word step by step. A Gantt chart is perfect for project planning, scheduling tasks, tracking progress, and managing timelines in a clear and visual way. In this video, we will discover the correct method to build a Gantt chart using tables or bar charts, customize it, and make your document look professional and organized. So let's get started. At first, you have to open your document. Now I am go some down. Then select the page and go to the insert menu. Click the chart option. Now we can see here many chart. Now I am go to the bar chart and we can see here not available the Gantt chart. Now I make the Gantt chart using the bar chart, clustered bar. Click insert. Then we can see here the bar chart. Then close this. Then select the chart, go to the design menu. You can design any item. Otherwise change the color of the bar chart. Now we can see we make the Gantt chart easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.